what the heck that is. It sounds like the vent. I don't even know. It's definitely in the dash, whatever that noise is. I guess yet another thing wrong with the Fisker Ocean. Yeah, it looks like it's right there in that vent. And eventually it stops. And I don't know why it only does that when you first open the car. Because after about a minute or two, it will stop. So those lights just went off also right here. So it's got to be something with is being activated with those lights in the dash that's making that sound. Interesting. Oh boy.